Alright, so now, we move to another subtopic in Microsoft Excel is about functions. So a function is a predefined formula that performs calculations using specific values in a particular order. So Excel includes many common functions that can be used to quickly find, example, to find the sum, to find the average, to find the maximum value or the minimum value for a range of cells. So in order to use functions correctly, you will need to understand the different parts of a function and how to create arguments to calculate values and cell references. So we go to the next slide. It's related to the parts of a function. So in order to work correctly, a function must be written a specific way, which is called the syntax. So the basic syntax for a function is the equal signs. So the equal signs, the function name. So here the function names, we use sum, for example, and one or more arguments. So here is the arguments. So arguments contains the information you want to calculate. So the function in this example is to add the values of the cell range from A1 until A20. So if you see here, when you use colon symbol, you read it as until. So how you want to work with arguments? So working with arguments, arguments can refer to both individual cells and cell range and must be enclosed with parentheses. You can include one argument or multiples arguments, and then depending on the syntax required for the function. Certain functions require only one argument. Some functions may have one or more arguments, while certain functions do not require any argument. So for example, here we have the function average. Will calculate the average of the values in the cell range from B1 until B9. So this function contains only one argument. So this is how you want to work with multiple arguments. So multiple arguments must be separated by a comma. For example, the function here, so the function sum here, will add the values of all of the cells in the three arguments. So here how you read it, we want to add the values. So the arguments here, from A1 until A3, and when you see there is a comma symbol, how you read it as N. A1 until A3 and C1 until C2 and E1. Alright, remember, if there is a colon symbol, you read it as until. When there is a comma symbol, you read it as N. Alright, so there is a lot of functions inside Microsoft Excel. There are many functions under several categories. Among them are mathematical functions, statistical functions, date and time functions. So here, this is the simple or the basic functions that you need to know. Example, we have integer, round, sum, average, count, and count A, Alright, and then max, min, if, and v lookup function.